Last Kids on the Earth. It is by Max Brellier. So before I start my book talk, huh. So before I start my book talk, I wanted you to answer this question: is that what if one day monsters would took over the world? What would you be ready for an adventure or not? So I would like to be answered by you. You all can take time like 1-2 minutes, but not maximum. Yeah, Rani, you can say.
So actually, I have had a lot of dreams where monsters were existing in the like on the earth, and it was actually very creepy because I was not ready for it. And we always talk about zombie apocalypse, but it's still creepy.
So you will be ready or not? Like,
No.
okay. Anyone have different answer from Rani? I would take it as no. So this book is all about how the zombies and the monsters take over the world. So the last kid on the earth, it is by Max Miller, and it is an action. Like this is my first book, which it is not like my favorite genre, but I thought to try a new genre. So it is like action-packed and humorous middle grade novel. Also, in this in this world, the adults like vanish from the world, and only kids are there. And the main character Jack, he's like 13 years old boy who is like living all alone, and he has a friend and all. So I would not like say more about story because it is very interesting. I don't want you all to uh, like like I don't want to know the suspense, but I want you all to read the book. So I will just let you know that there are zombies, monsters, funny and readable characters like Jack, and all his friends are like 13 years old, which we are also. So it is a very interesting story, and the character in this story is Jack, who is like a brave reader and also loves adventure. June is like a fearless girl who contributes a unique skill. When I read about June, no, I thought about Rani. Like Rani is also like brave and fearless girl, so I also thought about her. Quint, a smart, gadget-loving person who is always so into science that it makes me remember Soumya and Sanjita because they always be in science. So that. And Dick is like a tough boy and all. A bully also. And what I think the key things in the story was like friendship. Like in the story, the Jack, June, and everyone like show help to each other and support each other in difficult situation, which like no adult was there, and it would be so difficult if there was all zombies and all. So friendship was main motive of this story. Courage and resilience is also there. Like everyone in the story shows a braveness, another level of what we say resilience. Like we will be not be stoppable and all. And humor because it was a funny story. So I like said before this story like shows us friendship, how a friendship should look like. So I want you all to read like that, and it was like engaging story. Like it was exciting blend of adventure and humor. Relatable characters. I already said that the characters was very similar to us. So like I love the book that how they shows that we can find joy and adventure even our worst situations. So that's why I really love that book. And I have another question for the audience. Is that if you are in Jack's shoes, what you would do in a world with monsters, which there is no adult and nobody, and your all friends are like living far away from. Yes, sir.
I would first of all not show my face to that monster or else he might kill me. And second thing, I would not run here and there. I would just hide myself, and like arrange me for something to eat, drink, and just like live my life hiding from that monster.
Okay. Everyone, do you have any different answer? I would take it as so. I would really recommend that anyone who is like willing to take a new genre and for a action packed book, then you can really read this book because it is so amazing that at first I thought that it would be like boring, book like where there would be happy ever, happy ending and all. But in this, there was no happy ending, but it was like shows that we can find joy and a happiness in like worse situations. So I really love that situation in the book. So do you guys have any question about the book?